In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax using Microsoft Outlook. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail to ensure that your fax reaches the intended recipient successfully. First, let's navigate to your Microsoft Outlook. Open your preferred web browser or desktop application and sign in using your credentials. Outlook's user-friendly interface makes communication seamless, whether you're sending a simple email or, in this case, a fax. Now that you're signed into Outlook, you'll see your inbox at a glance. Towards the top left corner of your screen, there's a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a blank email template where you can begin composing your message. Picture this as an empty canvas ready to convey your important document to the recipient. When the new email window pops up, it's time to focus on the details. In the To section, you'll need to enter the fax number. This is a crucial field, similar to entering an email address, but in this context, replaces it with the recipient's fax information. Ensure that you're entering the correct number. Errors here could misdirect your fax or result in it not being delivered at all. Type the fax number carefully, just as you would dial a phone number. Now about your message, the email's primary role here is to serve as the fax cover sheet. You may want to include basic info in the subject line, context like the purpose of the fax, or any other pertinent details. If you have attachments or documents you need to send, it's time to include them. Simply click on the Attach button, which looks like a paperclip icon, to browse and select your file from your device. As a tip, always double-check your attachments to confirm that they are complete and the correct versions, avoiding potential confusion or miscommunication on the recipient's end. Once you're satisfied that everything is in place, verify the fax number, review the subject line, message, and attachments. You're ready to send. With a quick click of the Send button, your email-turned fax is out the door and on its way. Keep in mind that confirmation replies may vary based on the service configurations and recipient setup, so don't worry if you don't get an instant acknowledgement as with standard emails. It's always good practice to follow up with the recipient to ensure your fax was received without a hitch. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent a fax using Microsoft Outlook. That process can save you time and eliminate the need for a fax machine. With these simple steps, you can focus on what really matters: communication that is fast, efficient, and modern. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with more insightful tips and tricks.